Alright guys, दिनै जों मेट्रिक रिजाल्टनि सोमोन्दै सावरायगोन। नोंथांमोना मिथिखागौ आसामनि रिजाल्टआ मोजां नङा। पास परसेन्टेजआ एकेबारे लो, very low. Cannot discuss also, very low. बेनिफ्राय BTR नि रिजाल्टआबो मोजां नङा। पास परसेन्टेजआबो मोजां नङा। BTR in Assam almost same, around 64% pass percentage, 64. नाथाय BTR नि मोननै districts, they are very low. State level निफ्राय एकेबारे गाहायाव दंथारो. That is the problem. That is the main issue today. दिनै discussionआव बै districtनि सोमोन्दै सावरायगोन. We'll go up to exam center level. नोंथाङा सरप्राइज जानो हागौ जे क'क्राझार डिस्ट्रिक्टआव मोननै सेन्टार दङ। मोनसे सेन्टाराव 495 स्टुडेन्टफ्रा एग्जाम होदोंमोन। बेनिफ्राय पास जादों 195 स्टुडेन्ट्स, 39.39%. And there are only 4 students जायफ्रा फर्स्ट डिभिजन मोनदों. This is really surprising. Out of 495, only 4 students secured first division. I want to know more about this. We'll discuss later. Okay. R मोनसे सेन्टार दङ. बे सेन्टाराव 445 स्टुडेन्टफ्रा एग्जाम होदों. Only 98 स्टुडेन्ट पास जादों. Only 98. पास परसेन्टेजआ only 22.02%. गासिबो क'क्राझार डिस्ट्रिक्टआव दङ बे मोननै सेन्टार्सआ. I mean, we need to look into this. We need to look into this. 2 centers go down to the school level. School level जों थांनाय जोंखौ नागिरनांगोन. I'm sure BTR government is doing this. Right? Let us move on. नोंथांमोना मिथिखागौ जानांगौ, everyone is concerned today. BTR नि education quality माने जौगायाखै, माने डेभेलप जायाखै. गासिबो concern जोंनि मानाव गेदेर एबसुनि श्री दिपेन बर'आबो कनसार्न देखायदों. टुइटाराव थाङोबा नोंथांमोना नुगोन. आरो मानाव गेदेर श्री प्रमोद बर'आबो नै दाख्लैसो प्रेस कनफारेन्सआव बुंदों BTR नि एजुकेशनखौ मोजाङै खालामनांगोन होननानै. Let us listen to him first, then we will take it forward. All right?
এইবাৰ গুণ উৎসৱত অলপ মানে আমাৰ কিছুমান ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট অলপ পিছত আছে. ইয়াৰে ৰিভিউ মিটিংবিলাক চলি আছে. আজিও বাক্সা ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্টৰ আমাৰ গুণ উৎসৱত কোনখন বিদ্যালয় ভাল হ'ল, বেয়া হ'ল, কি কাৰণত হ'ল, ইয়াৰ এটা ৰিভিউ মিটিং অলপ পিছত আৰম্ভ হ'ব. গতিকে শিক্ষকসকলৰ ট্ৰেইনিং, যিবিলাক খালী পদবিলাক পূৰণ কৰা আৰু বিভিন্ন কাৰ্যসূচীবিলাক ইতিমধ্যে আমি হাতত লৈছোঁ. আৰু সেই কাৰ্যসূচীখিনি 100% ৰূপায়ণ কৰিব পাৰিলে আমাৰ 5খন জিলাত শিক্ষাটো বহুত আগুৱাই যাব, সেইটো আমি ভাবিছোঁ. ড্ৰপ আউট ৰেটটো আছে আমাৰ ইলেমেণ্টাৰীতকৈ ছেকেণ্ডাৰীত ষ্টুডেণ্ট ড্ৰপ আউট ৰেটটো বেছি আছে. তো সেইকাৰণে কেনেকৈ ড্ৰপ আউটটো আমি জিৰ' কৰিব পাৰোঁ বা মিনিমাইজ কৰিব পাৰোঁ, ইয়াৰ কাৰণে এই বছৰ আমি কিছুমান পদক্ষেপ ইতিমধ্যে সিদ্ধান্ত লৈছোঁ আৰু আমি কাম কৰিব ওলাইছোঁ. শিক্ষক নিযুক্তিৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত প্ৰচেছ চলি আছে. PGT আৰু GT গ্ৰেজুৱেট টিচাৰ আৰু পষ্ট গ্ৰেজুৱেট টিচাৰৰ ইণ্টাৰভিউ চলি আছে. এলিমেণ্টাৰী লেভেলৰ আমাৰ যিখিনি খালী পোষ্ট আছে ইয়াৰ SIOৰ কাৰণে ৰখি আছোঁ. SIO পাছ হোৱাৰ SIOটো এপ্ৰুভ হোৱাৰ লগে লগে আমাৰ কিছুমান টেট পাছ কৰা টিচাৰসকল আছে, তেখেতসকলক ৰেগুলাৰ কৰিব পাৰিম. আৰু নতুনকৈ টেট পাছ কৰি যিসকল আছে তেখেতসকলক আমি অতি শীঘ্ৰে ৰিক্ৰুইট কৰিব পাৰিম.
टिचारफोरनि पोस्टखौ माने खालि दोनदों? It's a big question mark today. Anyways, दिनैनि डिस्कासननि स्ट्राक्चारा नैबेबायदिनो. गिबियाव जोङो आसाम लेभेलनिखौ नायगोन, बेनि उनाव जोङो BTR लेभेलाव थांगोन, उनावहाय डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेभेल जोंहा बेवहाय मोनब्रै डिस्ट्रिक्टखौ देखायदों. मोनबा नङा दे, मोनब्रै दं. मोनब्रैनि गेजेराव आं मोननैखौल' एटाक खालामगोन, मानोना मोननैया एबाभ दि स्टेट लेभेल. ओंखायनो आं क'क्राझार आरो उदालगुरि बे मोननैखौल' सावरायगोन. बे मोननै डिस्ट्रिक्टनि गाहायसिम थांनानै सेन्टार माने एग्जामिनेशन सेन्टार लेभेलसिम थांनानै जोङो नायबिजिरहैगोन. We'll try to find out सेन्टार लेभेलनि पारफरमेन्सआ माबायदि, बबे सेन्टाराव गाज्रि, बबे सेन्टाराव मोजां जादों, बेसिम नायगिरहैगोन जोङो. Alright guys, बेयो आसामनि हिस्ट्रिकेल डेटा सिन्स 1994 निफ्राय 2025 Assam. Maybe pink line and I think first division percentage, blue blue line and I by second division percentage, then if I think orange is about third division percentage. When you print dot line as I think pass percentage, and if a red line as I think fail percentage. If you look at the data very carefully, pass percentage is increasing, and down little down here and here. In 2021 it was at the top level, more than 90% PSI because of I think COVID, right? Benefit ne kayo pwedeng amrita kayo thangsinting. So that is not good. And if you look at the first division percentage to 1994 also Virat come less than 2 digits, but it is increasing. So first division percentage is really increasing, which is really good. Second division percentage increasing, and definitely third division percentage is getting decreased. So it looks good. But let me tell you something, out of these years, there are 2 years, 2004 and 2017. Very interesting years. 2004 pass percentage and fail percentage almost equal, 50-50. Okay, and 2017 just ulta, pass percentage is less than the fail percentage. So we should be studying this one. I don't know what state government has done for this. Okay, but this is something very interesting. Maybe by district analysis, Nebo Topo Zongo Dongani Sipsagar district 81.24, Winifry Bottom Shri Bhumi 46.48, very low, less than 50%. Okay, now maybe by middle 64.74% Karbi Angloni. From here to the left is by Assamni level ni gojo dong yepsire benifrai Karbi Angloni agdating jeswan na district dong obsire less than below the state level performance. So we have 2 districts below the state level, Chicago, Kokrajhar and Udalguri. Chirang and Baksa be above the state level performance. Alright, we'll move on. Okay, now we are at the BTR level. Chirang district ane monikru function. Okay, 79.09%. This is really good. They are above the state level. Baksa about 68.65% above the state level. Not like Kokrajhar 59.36 below the state level, and Udalguri above below the state level 58.30. Maybe Mani district we need to do a lot of improvement, but overall let us try for 80% and above next year. Okay. Now BTR ni district are deep high level of analysis kalamoni BSI by maybe blue, deep blue as I think first division percentage, then pricing a light blue dongo BSI by second division, red and as I think third divisions. Now if you look at first division percentage, we see Baksa has the highest first division percentage, 35.02%. Lowest is I think Kokrajhar, 23.21%. Kokrajhar is everywhere, okay, all over the places. Winifry, Chirang, then finally Udalguri. Okay, so we have to do a lot of improvement, guys. Kokrajhar has to do a lot of things. We need to improve on this percentage. It should go up. It should be above actually 40%. Then it will be okay. We should be okay. Let us try for 40%. All right, we'll move on. Okay, now this is center level. Kokrajhar district 28 centers. Okay, out of 28, maybe 67% maybe center out. Nibrai acting Tanegas, you were state level in state level in you have got 10 centers, which 18 centers they are below the center performance. I mean the state level performance. Maybe the lowest one 22.02, highest is I think 85.04 percentage. This is good. We should try for this. All right, we'll move on. All right, maybe Kokrajhar Jillani division versus pass percentage comparison. Maybe blue bar is the first division percentage, pass percentage. When you price yellow ajai by second division pass percentage. When you pricing green as I think third division pass percentage. When you anyway, red line is our overall pass percentage. Then the first division co analysis column first division lowest than center number B25-0484 lowest percentage where third division also very high. Third division is almost 60%. Third division almost 60%. Okay, around 40% is second divisions. First division is very low, very low. Okay, when you try the highest first division around 40% many 499 center number and try 488 payment nearly 40%, which is really good. Really good. When you try 495 at least nearly 40% and 487 nearly 87%. Okay, this is what we have seen in case of first division. Second division now almost I think everyone is doing good. Every district is doing good in this particular category. Maybe very high for this. What is this one? This is for 499 centimeter. Second division are actually very high. Very high. Okay. Now we'll move to third division. Third division is lowest maybe. This one is the lowest one. Maybe 499 lowest. Very interesting. 499 first division are also very high. Second division also very high. Third division are nearly less than 10%. Less than 10%. Very good performance from this particular center. 499. Third division. When you know, let's say Navy. These two nearly 60%. These two 484 and 502 women nearly 60% third division though. Right? And previously overall pass percentage of com less than 40%. Okay, it is going down. The lowest is here. Right. So this is I don't see any pattern, but Sandigara Matra third division are very high for these two. Otherwise third division is like for every other centers, third division is the lowest pass percentage for everyone other than these two and a little bit these two. All right, this is about Kokrajhar division versus pass percentage. It's not looking great for some centers like these centers. First division of com, division center, first division of com, com. Okay, first division at least you should cross 30%, 35% cross column naiva. Definitely our overall pass percentage will increase. That is my understanding. Please let me know in the comment sections. All right, now there are some highlights here. Highest percentage is I think 85.04. This is coming from PM Shri Udalguri Higher Secondary School Center. Best performance from Kokrajhar district is from this particular center, 85.04%. Congratulations. Lowest percentage performance as one Tulsibil Higher Secondary School, 22.02%. We should be worrying about this particular center. We need to look into all the schools in this particular center. Anyway, center only 98 people student passed out of 445. Okay. I think low lights. low light. Okay, PM Shri Devitola High School appeared 495 students. Pass percentage is 39.39%. I was talking about this particular case in the beginning. Okay, first division is only 2.05%. So this is like surprising. 39.39% pass setting babu first division only 4 people. So I would request BTR government to look into this. We need to study this particular case in detail. All right. Alright guys, BA Kokrajhar district ni center per गासिबो center बावनो दङ दे बियो ओमफ्राय shorter order दङ pass percentage नि हिसाबै short खालामनानै दोनदों आं 85.04 top percentage बेनिफ्राय गायाव दङ जोंहा Tulsibil higher secondary school lowest one 22.02 okay नोंथांमोना समाय मोनोबा नायदो okay let me check my school my school is here Rampolbil higher secondary school 52.39% low. We need to improve. Okay. So समाय मोनोबा pause खालामनानै नायदो बेखौ. All right. I'll move on. Moving on to Udalguri district. Udalguri district आव जोंहा 20 centers दङ. Top center आनो जाहैदों 84.77% pass जादों. Bottom आव दङ जोंहा 36.52% low. Okay. This is like 10 centers above the state level percentage and 10 centers below the state level percentage. All right, we'll move on. Udalguri Jillani division versus pass percentage. Pay color code same like before. Kokrajhar Jillani bedini same color code. Okay, first division konai greni. First division of not bad. Udalguri district first division Kajrenwa. It is always more than 10%. People to less than 10% is 10% is no. Think people than highest about 40%, 40%. So this is good, looking good. Udalguri district overall pass percentage is Baranwa. Kokrajhar district overall first division pass percentage looks good everywhere. Okay. The lowest point is this, right? Then second division of like really controlled, looks very good, looking very good everywhere. It is looking good, not bad. Okay. Third division of extremely good. Actually, it is reducing not much. Third division of home definitely third division should get reduced. That is what I am seeing in this particular district. Almost in every centers, third division is lower than the second division. Sometimes though it is lower than the first division as well, like this, lower than the first division, here, all these in these districts, in the centers, first division, third division is less than the first division pass percentage, which is really good. Okay, overall, I would say Udalguri is looking good, but they need to improve the overall pass percentage. Otherwise, it is looking good. It's looking good. That's my take, guys. Let me know your comments. Highlights from Udalguri district. जोंहा टपाव दङ Dalonghat Higher Secondary School 84.77%. बे स्कुलानो बे सेन्टारानो टप. Lowest दङ जोंहा PM Shri Paneri HS School 36.53%. being bottommost. Lot of improvement required for this particular center. PM Shri Paneri HS School ni improve the we should try for this 84.77% overall. Then the district will be looking very good, very competitive. All right, I'll move on. All right, neighbor Udalguri district ni gaasibo center from top to bottom. Top of the Dalonghat Higher Secondary School 84.77. Okay. When you bottom of the 36.53%, pause kalamda biko minifre naitupte. Okay, I'll move on. Dinini discussion ko wana pajubnai tawai. But one thing, lot of work is to be done by all of us, starting from the government. BTR government has to do a lot of works. Then comes to teachers, teacher trouble gawang kamani wanangre. Then the students as well as the parents. Bini ongai be dularai Boro paraisa para help kalam dan hiwa jebut melanjakan nanyang sana. That should be alright, guys. I hope next year we'll cross all these barriers. I'm sure we should be able to achieve at least 70% overall next year. That is my expectations. That's it, guys. We'll meet again. Please write your comments. Comments ko let it above. We'll meet again someday. Take care. Bye.